All right, and here we are at that rating schedule. All right, so what we're filing for is hypertension. This rating schedule, again, it's like the teacher calling you up the night before you have to hand them the paper and telling you, hey, look, this is exactly how I'm going to grade this paper, right? This is what the rating schedule does. It tells you exactly what the VA is looking for when they rate this condition of hypertension. First thing we do when we get here, Control F, that's the find function. And then we spell out hypertension. Hypertension, boom. And then we just press enter, and that'll take you right down the document so we can see where the rating is. Where we got the rating. And there's different types of hypertension ratings, of course, cardiovascular things. The one that we normally run into, though, is 7101, right? High blood pressure, essentially. And it's based off of your readings. As you can see right here, this is how they rate it, right? Have these symptoms, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. And as you can see, diastolic pressure, systolic pressure. The blood pressure readings are blank over blank. The last one, the one that's on the bottom down, that's diastolic. The one at the top, that is systolic. So for a 10%, you have to have a diastolic, the reading of 100 or more, systolic reading 160 or more, and requires continuous medication for control. All right. So this is one of the few instances that I'm aware of where medication matters. All right. So what we do now, after we look at the rating schedule, we just take this information and put it right on that 3-element statement. All right. And we'll show you that next. And after that, we'll take to the actual form. But this is where we get that information from in terms of current medical diagnosis, the current symptoms that we're filing for. Look at the rating schedule, right? Because we're trying to get this rate. You want the medical attention? Yes, of course. We also want to get a rating for this. So it is important to understand how the VA is going to rate it. All right. So we come here, get this information. Boom, boom, boom. Have these conditions, have these symptoms, get this rating. We take this, move it right over to that 3-element statement. Here we go. All right, so here we go. Here we go with the 3-element statement. All we did was use that before you filed Guidebook. We took the answers from that, put it in the 3-element statement template, and then from there, this is what we got, right? This is the example, laying it out 1, 2, 3, right? In-service event, current medical diagnosis, Nexus link. That's what they're looking for, right? And again, if there's a veteran who is service connected for hypertension and then they pass away from a heart condition, that surviving spouse may be eligible for dependency indemnity compensation, right? That's important. If you know someone in that situation, please pass along that information. All right. Now we're just going to copy, paste this statement, the layup, right? And we're going to put it right onto that VA form. All right. Let's do it.
Do you think the VA claims process can be difficult, stressful, or even chaotic at times? If so, we made the Before You File Guidebook to help you keep your claim simple and organized. The VA claims process can make you feel overwhelmed, frustrated, or even pissed off. So we made the Before You File Microlearning Course to help you feel comfortable and confident when you walk into that office to file your VA claim. Get the products and enjoy the benefits. Now back to the show.